Alright guys, I am back with another unique food thing. I got this at a local Asian grocery store and like I said, it's at the market. So here is coconut jelly. So I believe that's coconut jelly. But I've never tried this in a tube, so I'm gonna open this up and do a quick taste test. So let's stay tuned guys. Alright guys, so I got it open. So it is apple flavored coconut jelly. So I'm going to do a quick taste test right now. Yep, coconut jelly, apple flavor. Oh no, sorry, not apple. It's melon. It's melon flavored. Actually, it tastes really good, guys. Definitely check it out. And if you haven't had coconut jelly, it's like very, like, think of it like Jello, but more gelatinous, and it just has a nicer texture. It's like more of a crunchier texture to jelly. So definitely check it out, guys. If you have any questions, comments, post below, subscribe to the channel.
Coconut jelly?